me show you the 3-inch trackball that I like to put in. Is this one here. It's made by HAPP, H-A-P-P. And a cool thing about it, this one here says monitor this way. I've seen some of these trackballs, they don't have monitor this way. You have to figure out which way it goes. And then also to some trackballs I've tried, some don't work that well. So you have to find what works well, and I like the HAPP ones. Anyhow, so monitor this way, monitor this way. So therefore, when I open this up, it's going to go right on these studs. Just like that. I'll put on the wing nuts. I don't think you want to watch you put the wing nuts on, but just let you know how it fits. And it fits really nice. Make sure you don't get your wires caught. And look at that. Beautiful. And it's flat. There's nothing sticking up. So now my trackball is ready to go.